Gabriel Brown here. There's a past client that came in my office and they were a little upset because they were not able to get approved for a mortgage. And I know that when they left our credit repair program, they had scores in the high sixes. So they applied for a mortgage and they were declined. And they could not understand, well, why am I declined? I have time on the job, all right? I don't have high debt to income. I've been working with my loan officer to get all my docs together, my 2-year tax returns, my 3 bank statements, my 2 pay stubs, and my credit scores, again, are good. And I said, well, maybe there's a consumer file that's preventing you from getting approved for your mortgage. So I enrolled the client in my Wealth Score System program, ordered the consumer files, all right, and lo and behold, there was a consumer file that had some derogatory information on that file. So what I did was I actually froze that consumer file, all right, a security freeze, and then the client went back to the mortgage professional and reapplied for the mortgage and was approved. All right, this could potentially happen for you too. There's not just the 3 credit reports that you have to consider nowadays, but you also have to consider the consumer files. All right, if you want, schedule a free call with me, all right, and I'll go over some of the consumer files with you, and maybe some of your challenges with getting approved for new credit is also related to your consumer files.